Hi guys, Noel Julian here. Welcome to another episode of Take Zero's Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to remove door cards off an Alfa S3 Spider. As you can see, the current cards on mine are pretty trashed. They're buckled, warped. They've got a horrible texture to them, and basically they're just old and tired and they need to go. So I've got some replacement cards that I got from Classic Alfa, and I can't wait to get them on because I just know, just by looking at the condition of these current ones, the original door cards, that just replacing them with new ones is going to transform the look of the car. And so what I'm going to do basically is take you through step by step how to take the card off, because there's a couple of things you need to do in order to pull the card off, and then I'm going to install the new one and then stand back and see how cool it looks. Well, overall it went okay, except for the driver's door. Passenger's door was actually very straightforward. That went very quickly. Took me about 15 minutes to do. I was really impressed with that. But the driver's door had lots of niggles. You can see on the bottom here, I haven't been able to actually attach the screws back, and that's because the holes are off, which is really frustrating. That means I need to actually drill new holes in the door to get the screws to attach. Also, I had issues with the armrest screws going in. They didn't like it. Again, this hole here was off by just a fraction to put the screw at a very bad angle, but I managed to get it on. So, you know, I have to say I'm absolutely delighted with how it's come out. It looks fantastic. I mean, compared to what the old door cars looked like, they were trash. They were horrible. They made the interior of this car look terrible. And, you know, changing, as you probably noticed, I changed the top trim here from beige to black. So now the entire door is black, and I think it just looks so much better. It looks tidier, it looks more clean, and I think it's a better color to work with the dark blue paint of the car. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. It's turned out so well. And I'm not completely finished yet, because you can probably see the rubber chrome trim here, little bead here needs to be replaced because that's all cracked and it's very old. And this wood here as well, that's not exactly factory. A previous owner did that, and as you can see, you know, it's been taken off quite a few times to get access to the door. Door closing. And so I need to replace it with what was there originally, which is a piece of plastic which is just inserted in this gap here. It's quite hard to get. They generally break. They're quite fragile. So if anybody knows where to get them, do let me know. I'd love to get hold of them. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you found it useful. The next job for me to do is to sort out the carpet in this car, and believe me, you don't want to actually be sat here right now smelling my carpet in my car, because it is disgusting. I don't think it's probably been detailed properly or shampooed properly in probably a decade or more. I mean, obviously, you know, since I've had it, which is roughly about a year, you know, I have hoovered the car, but it needs a deep clean. So lots of scrubbing with a brush and shampoo and wet vacuum cleaner. And yeah, I'm not really looking forward to it, I have to say. Nope. Oh, it's just horrible. But it's a job I need to do. And once that's done, then I can actually show you what the interior looks like, because all the changes that I've done inside the car are superb. And well, I think they are anyway. And I can't wait to show it to you. So that's it for this episode. Hope you guys found it useful. Don't forget, I'm on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And if you like these films that I'm making, head on over to my Patreon page and become a patron of Take to the Road. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. And don't forget, just go drive.